I was extremely excited to be able to partner with Washburn Tech in order to put on this training that we did this morning.
Did some training to try to familiarize ourselves with what the field actually deals with. Bending pipe, pulling wire.
We also did some wall mounting of actual boxes, and it really allowed for all of us to understand what goes on in the field.
I have a master's in architecture, but I've never actually had any field experience, so it was really nice just to get out there and see how everything's done.
My favorite part this morning was getting on the lift and reaching up and listening to the hangers to move the conduits around, pull them down. I thought that was a real eye-opener. That was really fun.
My favorite thing was working with the half-inch conduit. It was pretty easy to bend everything by hand, and it was cool to see the wiring and everything go in.
Well, now I get a perspective from the field guys, because before I was just, sitting on a computer, typing away and not really caring about how it affected someone else in the field.
What was the hardest thing you did?
Oh my God, easily pulling up to bend a 90 on those, what was it, 1.25 inch. That was borderline impossible.
The bending.
The hardest thing will be bending the 1.25 conduit.
Definitely bending the 1.25 conduit.
Is the bending of the, was it 1.25 inch conduit?
Bending the conduit, I think it was 1.25 inch.
I would say doing the 1.25 inch.
Definitely hand bending the 1.25 inch conduit.
It seems easy at first, but once you get to a certain point, you realize you have to have some leverage, and I do not.
I think it took 4 of us just to bend one. It's supposed to take one person.
I know that it's difficult, I've heard that it's difficult, but I never actually experienced it in real life, and it's something that is not, you don't just walk out there and like, oh, I gotta bend a 90-degree angle. It's like, you're mad that you have to do that, truthfully. Yeah.
Being able to get everybody together in the room and to do the hands-on training to see what the field is up against, working with the deliverables that we give them, I think it's been really eye-opening for a lot of the team, and it will prove very beneficial to have that knowledge in the back of their mind as they're moving forward modeling future projects.